In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable multiple answer selection in Google Forms, whether you're gathering feedback, conducting a survey, or just making a fun quiz for friends. Learning how to let respondents select more than one option can be a helpful tool for collecting information. And don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step, ensuring it's a breeze for you to handle and complete within just a few minutes. First up, go ahead and open your Google form. You might already have one set up, or perhaps you're just starting fresh. If you've used Google Forms before, you know it's a straightforward web tool designed to help you gather and analyze data efficiently. Just log into your Google account and navigate to your Forms homepage to find the form you want to edit, or start a new one if you're building something from scratch. Next, you need to add or select a question in which you want to allow multiple answers. If you've already drafted your questions, simply click on the one you're interested in. Alternatively, to add a new question, click on the plus sign, which you'll find located on the right-hand side of your screen. This step is crucial because this is where you'll adjust the settings to allow multiple answer selections. Once you have your question selected, it's time to change the question type. By default, Google Forms often uses multiple choice for questions. You'll want to adjust this. Click on the drop-down menu next to the question and select checkboxes. This selection allows the respondents to pick more than one option from the list you provide. Unlike multiple choice, where only one answer is possible, checkboxes are perfect for when more than one answer makes sense for your question. Now it's time to enter your answer options. This is the creative part where you can lay out the selections available for your respondents. Enter each option clearly and comprehensively to ensure the choice is apparent and easy to understand. You can include as many options as necessary to best fit your needs. Take your time to ensure clarity in the language so you'll get precise feedback. With these options in place, that's it. Your respondents can now select multiple answers. This update will appear live immediately, requiring no extra steps on your end. Test it out a couple of times, previewing the form to confirm everything looks good. Remember, being able to select multiple answers makes a big difference when the nature of your question warrants it. This small change in your Google Forms toolkit can open up new opportunities for interacting with your audience or colleagues, making your surveys more inclusive and versatile. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough straightforward and helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below.